Welcome to Dr. Doug Orthodontics. I'm Dr. Doug, and what I thought I'd do today is take you through a guided tour of our office. So why don't we head in through the front door here. And as you walk in here, usually we have our patients check in on an iPad here. But there's always someone here to greet you when you walk in. So let's take a look at the rest of the waiting area here. Alright, and you can see that there is an iPad area here for the children to play on. We have a big screen TV up on the wall too. You can charge your phones while you're waiting, of course, for your appointment as well. There's always free Wi-Fi for our patients to use as well. And you can see lots of sports stuff up on the walls here. I'll let you see that throughout the rest of the office, but you'll probably figure out who some of my favorite teams are, because I'm a big New York sports fan. And this is where we were voted most loved orthodontist of 2019. Very proud of that one right there. Alright, so I'm going to take you back to the consultation room first. This is where our new patients meet us for the first time. And this is the consult room here. You can see there's a big screen on the wall here, so we can look at x-rays or photographs or anything relevant to the patient's visit. And this is our iTero scanner. So this is a 3D digital scanner. This allows us to take, usually in about 2 to 3 minutes, an entire scan of the mouth. No radiation, it's all an optical scan, but it allows us to really look at the teeth closely and discuss the consultations on the screen here rather than having to look inside the patient's mouth. And for parents to see too, it's a really nice way to communicate and illustrate what exactly is going on in a patient's mouth prior to starting treatment. And we also have, obviously, lots of ways that we can treat patients. Lots of options that usually fit, pretty much anyone's lifestyle these days, from the traditional metal braces with colors, of course the ceramic braces, which are made of porcelain and they're white. Clear aligners, we do a fair amount of clear aligners, things like Invisalign, clarity aligners, which we're using more and more. But also, this is one of our newest things we do here is lingual braces. This is InBrace, which is the newest, probably most advanced system out there to do lingual braces. If you really want that truly invisible experience. Alright, so let's head out here. Actually, let's take a look here. You can see I went to Cornell University in Stony Brook for dental and my orthodontic training. But what you'll see down here is that we do have really only licensed dental hygienists and also licensed dental assistants who help us treat our patients. So, anyone treating patients or children should be a licensed professional. We take that very seriously in our office. All right. This is our digital X-ray machine, pan-ceph machine, that allows us to take really ultra-low dose radiation X-rays on our patients. And this is our brushing station. So when patients come in, there are pre-pasted disposable toothbrushes there where they can brush right after school, before we see them. And this is our main treatment area. All right, so there's a 4-chair open bay here. Okay, computers at every chair, obviously. But this is where the majority of the treatment occurs. All right, from putting on braces to the adjustments to giving initial aligners, all that kind of stuff is what we do in this area here. And again, you can see kind of some of the sports stuff up there. But like I said, big New York sports fan. So you see that theme throughout the office. And back here, of course, sterilization. We take that extremely seriously, following OSHA regulations and the state guidelines as far as keeping everything clean and sterile. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of our office. Consultations are always free, so hope to see you in the office very soon.